precious. Time is short, and time is the one thing we can never buy.
What would you say if I told you there is a seaweed containing a super nutrient with benefits beyond compare? What if it had benefits we could all stand to gain from? What if I told you there was only one way to get it? And that's why I'm here now. It's time to share with you an all-natural and nutritionally packed seaweed called Limu Moi. Comprised of an element called fucoidan, it is real, it is powerful, and it can change your life for the better. Limu Moi is found only in the far reaches of the Pacific Ocean, near the island of Tonga. Its unique properties have been used for centuries. Both natives and scientists alike know of its many ways to allow for longer, healthier lives. Now to introduce you to the who, Limu. The great force behind this discovery is actually called Limu. Limu wants every consumer to receive the full impact of fucoidan, so that millions the world over can experience its effects in the most powerful and purest form. This is where the science comes in. Limu shouts back with more than 857 published scientific studies showing actual, sustainable, and clear results just on fucoidan alone. I know, supernutrient is a very common, very popular term, often thrown around, put into products, and people still don't understand the word. This is where I thank Gary Racer. The man behind the Limu way of life is actually the one who demonstrated in simple terms the basic science behind the Limu Moi. Gary understands that we live in a time where lack of nutrition is a major problem, which can lead to serious health issues. And as a side note, fucoidan is also antiviral. Simply put, this means it helps prevent against the common cold and other nasty flu viruses. Because fucoidan performs at the cellular level, even in our very own bloodstream, it fortifies from the foundation of our health. So people notice sickness less. They sleep more soundly, even gaining stronger hair and nails. Fucoidan will change your quality of life for the better. And Limu is the creator of the fucoidan product market. Let's start with Limu Original. Unable to be duplicated, it is incomparable and took scientists 15 years to perfect. All it takes is a 2-ounce serving twice daily, every day, and you will begin to feel the results. Next, Limu Energy. It features Blue Frog, a dietary supplement and energy drink all in one. Not only does it contain the Limu proprietary blend rich with fucoidan, it doesn't bother with added sugars or artificial flavors. Even the caffeine is natural. Blue Frog. It's a boost that's good for you. Finally, there's Limu Lean. Limu Lean is a unique 4-part weight management system promoting a lifestyle of not only feeling good, but of looking good too. The shakes taste great. They are infused with fucoidan and have been proven time after time to allow for healthy weight loss. Paired with the appetite controller and the digestive health cleanse, you can actually lose weight and feel better. My time is up. I've enjoyed this opportunity to share with you the benefits of fucoidan and the real power behind the Limu way of life. Now, it's your turn. It's time to transform your lifestyle. A time to feel more alert. A time to feel more powerful. And that time is right now. Join me.